Have you ever dreamed of embarking on an unforgettable journey through the diverse and vibrant cities of India? From the bustling streets of Delhi to the historic charms of Jaipur, India offers a wealth of experiences just waiting to be discovered. But before we delve into our list of the top 5 cities to visit in India, we want to hear from you. Which cities have you had the pleasure of exploring in this incredible country? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let us know which ones left a lasting impression on you. Now, let's embark on a journey through India's most captivating destinations. Number 5. Jaipur. Our journey begins in the enchanting pink city of Jaipur, where history, culture, and architectural wonders await around every corner. Explore the majestic Amber Fort, marvel at the intricate designs of the Hawa Mahal, and wander through the bustling bazaars of the old city. Jaipur's vibrant colors, rich heritage, and warm hospitality make it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking an authentic Indian experience. Number 4. Agra. Next up, we have Agra, home to one of the most iconic monuments in the world, the breathtaking Taj Mahal. Built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal, the Taj Mahal is a masterpiece of Mughal architecture and a symbol of eternal love. But Agra offers more than just the Taj Mahal. Visitors can also explore other historic landmarks like the Agra Fort and the tomb of Idamaduddin. Agra's rich history and timeless beauty make it a must-visit destination for travelers exploring the wonders of India. Number 3. Mumbai. Moving on to the bustling metropolis of Mumbai, where the vibrant energy of the city meets the tranquil beauty of the Arabian Sea. Explore iconic landmarks like the Gateway of India, take a stroll along the Marine Drive Promenade, and immerse yourself in the city's rich cultural heritage at museums and art galleries. Mumbai's eclectic mix of history, culture, and modernity makes it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a taste of urban India. Number 2. Varanasi. Next on our list is Varanasi, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world and the spiritual heart of India. Explore the narrow alleyways of the old city, mesmerizing Ganga Aarti ceremonies along the ghats of the Ganges River, and immerse yourself in the city's vibrant street life. Varanasi's ancient temples, sacred rituals, and spiritual ambience make it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a deeper understanding of India's cultural and religious traditions. Number 1. Delhi. Rounding out our list is the dynamic capital city of Delhi, where history, culture, and modernity come together in a captivating blend of old and new. Explore historic landmarks like the Red Fort and Humayun's tomb, shop for souvenirs at bustling markets like Chandni Chowk, and sample delicious street food at local eateries. Delhi's diverse neighborhoods, vibrant street life, and rich cultural heritage make it a must-visit destination for travelers exploring the wonders of India. There you have it, our top 5 cities to visit in India. Whether you're exploring the historic charms of Jaipur, marveling at the beauty of the Taj Mahal in Agra, or immersing yourself in the vibrant energy of Mumbai, India offers travelers a wealth of experiences just waiting to be discovered. Have you had the pleasure of visiting any of these cities? Share your experiences in the comments below and let us know your favorite memories and recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy travels!